Good morning. Today we will start factors affecting supply. Factors affecting supply or determinants of supply. Many determinants are there. One by one we will discuss all. The first one, price of the commodity. Price of the commodity. Now see, higher the price, larger will be the supply. Now maybe the question will be there in your mind, how it is possible, sir? Why it is too much? When the price is too much, how you can say that the supply will be too much? Reason, producer when they see the price increase in the market, already they have raw material in the stock. They will take out the raw material which they purchase in a very less price and they will be making more and more goods overnight and they will supply in the market. This means price high, supply high. Clear? Price will go up, supply will go up. Number 2, price of the other commodities. Now understand it properly. When prices of all other commodities increase, producer produce those commodities to make more profit and thus supply of existing commodity falls. Now see, suppose many commodities are there in the market and they noticed, they are producer, they produce goods and they notice that these commodity price in the market is going up and the commodity which he is producing is having the same price in the market or the price is going down. Now you know that time what will happen? They will shift, they will switch over to those commodities whose price increased in the market. Why? To earn more and more profit. Now this is the price of other commodities. Clear? Third one, goals of the firms. Now everyone in their life also they have goal. You also have some goal. Everyone have goal. But for producer there are two type of goal. First one is profit maximization and the second one is sales maximization. Clear? Now if you will ask me, sir, which one is good? I will tell you sales maximization is good rather than the profit maximization. You made profit, maximum profit, and after that again you will come down to that position, and when you will take out the average you will see average will be the same. Average will be the same. For that only what you should do? You should go for sales maximization. Clear? Sales maximization. Next one. Fourth point. Price of factors of production. Factor of production, you know, land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. Remember, suppose there is a fall in the price of these factors, with the 4 factors which I told you. What will happen? The cost of commodity will go down. How? Because cost of production will go down. And because of that, what will happen? The production will go up and the cost of production will come down. The fifth one, state of technology. What is state of technology? Now you should use the improved and advanced technology. I am giving you one very good example. Xerox machine. 2 type of Xerox machines are there in the market. The first one, the old one, where you'll have to put one paper. If you want 100 Xerox paper of that one, you'll have to press the key 100 times. But today the screen touch is available in the market with advanced technology. What will happen? Put the paper and only write 100 there and press once. 100 paper will come out. This is known as technology. Clear? State of technology. Now the sixth one. Sixth one is number of producer. Now, number of producer means if number of producers or number of firms, number of industry will be there. Now to produce a commodity, obviously the supply in the market will increase. Alright, take example of a shoe. Many companies are there, Bata, Liberty, Lakhani, many companies are there. If they all start producing, so obviously firms, many firms are there. These are the firms. Producers are producing. Obviously in the market too many shoes will be available. Clear? Now the number 7 one. Future expectation. Future expectation regarding price. Alright. Now what do you mean by this? When seller, they expect price rise in future, they reduce the present supply. Even very good example I can quote. You know the petrol pump owner. Petrol pump owner, if they will come to know that from today night 12 o'clock, if the price of petrol will increase by 1 rupee or 50 paise or 2 rupee per liter, they will stop their selling that particular moment as they got the information. Why? Because they will wait till 12 and after 12 they will sell the petrol which is there in their tank. Reason? Because they want to earn more and more profit. This is known as future expectation regarding price. If they come to know the price, that price will increase, or if the price will vice versa, if the price will decrease, if they will come to know price will decrease, they will try to take out the goods which is there with them as soon as possible. Number 8, taxes and subsidies. Now this you know, we are getting subsidy in the gas. Alright, because government duty is to take care of our welfare. Now when the tax will increase, what will happen? Supply will be hampered. Alright. And when the tax will decrease, then the supply will be too much. Because producer will have to pay the tax. They don't want. More money they will acquire, more tax they will have to pay. The better, no need to supply too much. Clear? This is taxes and subsidies. Now the ninth one. Ninth one is natural factors. Now this is very important. Now this basically hampers the agricultural product. Why? Because like rainfall, excess rainfall will also create problem. Less rainfall will also create problem. Drought will also create problem. Soil, if the barren soil is there, production will be not there. If the soil is not of good quality, production will be less. So these natural factors given by God, these factors are given by God. We cannot ask God that this time you give us good rain. Yeah, we can pray. This time you don't give us rain. We cannot ask. Alright. And because of that, basically the agricultural products are hampered with because of the natural factors. Now 10th one. 10th one is means of transport and communication. This is very important. Now, if supply is there, we want to supply, I'm a producer, I want to supply, but transport facility is not there. What will happen? Goods will not reach to the market. That creates a major problem. Communication, your net is not functioning, you cannot write mail, you cannot book your commodity, so you can understand this also hampers. This means transport and communication should be very strong. Now all these, many are there, now it's very tough to learn it, but one function is there, with the help of that function, easily you can remember all these points. What is that one? Sx is equals to function of Px, Pr, FP, T, G, EX and GP. Now maybe you are thinking what is PX, PR? Let me tell you. SX means quantity supplied of commodity X. Clear? F means function. PX means price of the commodity X. PR, price of the related goods. After that, FP is the price of factor of production. FP, clear? After that it is T. T means technology. After T is G, goal of producer. After G it is EX, is expected future price of commodity X, and the last one GP is government policy. This means you will have to learn only this much to remember all the determinants or factors of supply. Next day I'll come up with a new topic.